if you want the right footwear to take on any obstacles on the road. The best boots for rucking can take away the strain and pressure of walking for hours. They can even provide maximum protection and comfort to keep feet safe, dry, and cool. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 boots for rucking on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rocky Men's RKC050 Military and Tactical Boot. The Rocky RKC050 is one of my favorite tactical boots, with good arch support. On the occasions that I wore this rucking boot, I never had blisters, even when used in the desert. I love the traction of the rubber sole on loose gravel, mud, and sand. The sole feels sturdy, and I'm satisfied with the ankle support. By far, this tactical boot is the quietest I've worn on the field. More importantly, the fit comes true to my size, so I was able to use the boot straight out of the box. This tactical boot wears more like a sneaker than a heavy boot. The inner lining wicks away the moisture to keep my feet water-free during a long hike. I've marched through inclement weather, and I was pleased to find that these boots helped keep my feet warm. I can't believe how durable the leather used on this model is. It was able to resist quick flames and water puddles. Also, I feel confident with its great quality, as it seems to be very compliant and uniform compliant for the US Army. Number 2. Nordiv 8 Men's Military Tactical Boots. This Nordiv 8 design is one of my favorite pairs of military boots for rucking on a hot day. These jungle boots keep my feet well ventilated, thanks to the breathable upper fabric that lets the air in. Among all the features, the dynamic 3-sole system stands out the most to me. My feet stay comfortable and sweat-free with the linen insole, while the EVA midsole provides the stability I need when rucking in the desert. Best of all, the rubber outsole seems pretty rugged to use on any terrain, including gravel and sand, all while ensuring no slipping. I'm not afraid to walk in shallow puddles and mud because the leather covers the bottom part well to keep my feet dry. I even sprayed some water on these boots, and my wool socks were surprisingly dry. Additionally, my wide feet love the extra room on the toe box to make me agile when marching for long miles. The best part is that I got this pair at a very low price. The boots even came with a warranty, which might be helpful for covering any defects. Most importantly, they don't create any annoying noise at every step. Number 3. Eidson Men's Ultralight Combat Boots. Eidson offers another budget-friendly pair of combat boots that I like to use for rucking. Despite the price, the quality is still quite impressive. Everything feels lightweight, except for the toe cap, which was fortified for the most strength. The reinforced toe cap was strong enough to protect my foot from the falling debris in the woods. I like the fact that there's plenty of room to move around and fit thicker socks. I found some good vent holes in the collar to disperse the heat when the temperature gets too high. The linen upper is also breathable to prevent my feet from perspiring too much. Best of all, the material is lightweight and comfortable, so it took me only a short time to break the boots in. The suede leather feels quite soft, so it doesn't rub on my heels. I also like that there's an adequate cushion on the memory foam insole to support my heel from long hiking. As I walk through the sand, I think the non-slip feature of the outsole is decent enough to keep me steady. Number 4. Danner Men's TACHYON Military and Tactical Boot. Another lightweight boot that I love to wear for rucking is the Danner TACHYON model. When I wear this boot together with my merino wool socks, I can't feel any pain when going on ruck marches. This 8-inch rucking boot feels as comfortable as my favorite running shoe, so I'm not afraid of blisters when walking for long miles with a heavy backpack. My feet also stay dry with these rucking boots, even when wearing them in the hot weather. I can feel the air circulating inside the shoes, so I think that the leather nylon construction is super breathable. The TACHYON fits accurately the first time I put it on. There's no break-in period needed because this rucking boot feels soft right out of the box. I especially love the coyote color, as the sand and dirt blend with it beautifully and even provide a better look. These boots feature a nylon shank, which is why they never lose shape and provide flexibility. I appreciate the cushion of the insole, and I like the fact that it's removable so that I can swap it with my Dr. Scholl's insert easily. The rubber outsole also seems to have great tread because I never lost traction on occasions when I walked on slippery roads. Number 5. Garmont Men's T8 Bifida Tactical Military Boot. The Garmont T8 Bifida is a lightweight rucking boot, perfect for missions that require speed. Even when I'm carrying a heavy load, I'm surprised that I still feel comfortable with these breathable boots. I love the combination of the suede and 600D nylon on the upper portion because it provides good ventilation. My feet tend to sweat a lot, but they remain dry in these army boots in the hot weather. Additionally, the polyurethane foot seems shock absorbent, and the EVA midsole feels so lightweight that it makes me feel like I'm wearing running shoes. This rugged boot features a Vibram outsole, which offers plenty of grips to make me walk through ice, snow, and rough terrain without slipping. I also noticed that there's zero optical refraction hardware at the instep. This is a good thing because the laces move more fluidly, and the boots perform nicely in any environment, whether I'm on the ground or in flight. I think this pair is great boots for ruck marching because they support my calves when I try walking down steep hills. The metallic eyelets and nylon webbing also seem to hold up well in harsh conditions. Best of all, I'm not afraid to put these boots in the mud because they're easily cleaned with water. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.